Can dental veneers be whitened? Dental veneers are a well-known cosmetic dental procedure that will make your smile. It can also cover flaws in your teeth. They're thin shells constructed out of composite resin or porcelain designed to fit onto the front surfaces that your teeth. Veneers can conceal gaps, discoloration fractures, and other misalignments, making your smile appear flawless. The most frequent question individuals have concerning veneers for their teeth is whether or not they can be bleached. Since teeth do get stained and discolored with time, due to things like smoking, eating drinks, and food that have dark hues or poor hygiene. If your teeth are able to be made white, then can veneers be treated to whitening as well? The simple answer is that the dental veneers can't be treated to whiten in the same way as natural teeth could. Veneers are constructed of materials that do not respond to the traditional methods for whitening teeth, including the use of bleaching gels or lasers. After you've placed veneers onto your teeth, the shade will remain for a long time and cannot be modified by treatments for whitening. This doesn't necessarily mean that you will be bound to yellowed or discolored veneers permanently. There are many other options to make your veneers if they are discolored or stained over the course of 1. Professional cleaning. Similar to the natural tooth, veneers are prone to develop tartar and plaque with time. This may render them aged or dull. Regular professional cleanings performed by your dentist will help keep your veneers looking at their top and avoid discoloration. 2. Replacement. The veneers you have been stained severely or discolored, and professional cleaning isn't enough to restore their beauty. You may have to get them replaced. Dental professionals can make new veneers that are in your preferred shade and blend into the remainder of your smile. 3. Porcelain veneer polishing and polishing. A few situations, porcelain veneers are able to be polished to get rid of scratches and restore shining. The dentist at your visit can give you more details on whether this method will work for the veneers you have. 4. Prevent staining factors from forming. To avoid your veneers becoming discolored from the beginning, it's important to be aware of the habits and ingredients that could stain them, including smoking or drinking tea, coffee, red wine, as well as drink that have dark hues. A good dental hygiene regimen with regular brushing, flossing, cleaning, and regular routine dental examinations can ensure that your veneers remain clean and fresh. While veneers on your teeth cannot be whitened as natural teeth can be, there are methods that can improve the appearance of discolored or stained veneers. Through a strict schedule of oral hygiene and seeking an expert dentist when you need it, and ensuring that you keep your veneers looking gorgeous and enjoy a beautiful smile throughout the years.